Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Tanner, and welcome to Crypto Bible. Finally got the trim looking all fresh and that, but none of that. We have got a big story out again. Do you know what? It's probably expected. We've seen the likes of Santander and Barclays do the exact same, but right now we have had news from Natwest. Sending out text messages to their customers, letting them know that they can no longer be using Binance, so depositing, withdrawals, and everything else that does come with it. I have been seeing that a lot of Bank of Scotland as well are basically doing the same thing, and that actually comes after I've done a video just about a week ago where I was going through each and every bank and their stance on cryptocurrency. I'm going to leave a link to that in the description below. I'm going to leave it right there as well for you guys to watch too, because it was such an interesting video, because it literally went for every bank and it let us know what their stance is on cryptocurrency, if they're for it, if they're against it, if they're allowing withdrawals and deposits, how certain exchanges are blocking them or not. So it was really good. And one of the things that we did see on that was that Natwest and Bank of Scotland were one of the ones that were like pro crypto. There was no issues reported at all in regards to deposits and withdrawals. And now, literally a week or two later, here we are, they've stopped it too. So in this video, it's actually going to be a little bit different comparing to the other Barclays and Santander ones that I've done, because we're actually going to take a look at the NatWest website and see what they actually said, because they've got a very nicely like laid out page where they give us a lot of information of why they done it, how they done it, reasoning behind everything. So we're going to read through each and every single one of them and see what they're actually saying. And then obviously, we could take it from there. But the first thing is first, a lot of you guys that are with NatWest, you probably would have received this text message today, which says, with an increase in scams relating to cryptocurrency and regulatory uncertainty around Binance in the UK, we want to make sure your money is safe. That's why we'll be limiting payments to them until further notice. So yeah, that is basically what you would have received today. And again, it's the whole, we want to make sure we are keeping your money safe. That's the approach that Barclays and Santander took as well. So they want to be keeping your money safe. Again, you've got the argument of you can kind of do what you want with your money, because there are ways of keeping your crypto safe once it is in there. But look, what can we do? And then when you actually click the link on the website, on the text message that you go onto the NatWest website, we're actually presented with this. And I found this pretty cool, because you're basically given an entire page of reasoning of everything, basically. Why has my payments to Binance been returned? And like literally so many. I'm going to go through a few of these and just kind of read on it, see what they're getting at here. Again, it's probably stuff we already know, but it's good to get the full-on opinion of the bank itself. And this is quite good that they've done this, because a lot of the other banks have just given like one text message and then maybe an email, and then that's like the end of it. These guys have kind of given us a full breakdown of everything, right? So why has my payments to Binance been returned? So due to an increase in scams relating to cryptocurrency and regulatory uncertainty surrounding Binance in the UK, we have taken steps to restrict payments to this merchant until further notice. We are also aware that Binance are currently not accepting same payment types. For more information about this, please refer to Binance Direct. Okay, so that's basically what they're saying. Why have I received 2 SMS messages from you in relation to Binance? We are reaching out to our customers who have made a debit card transaction or payment to Binance within the last 12 months to advise of the steps we are taking. If you have made both types of transactions in the last 12 months, you may have received 2 messages from us. Why won't NatWest allow me to purchase cryptocurrency? So this is quite a big one, actually. We know that customers investing their money into cryptocurrency has become extremely popular. However, we are also aware of the increasing risk posed by fraudsters exploiting this trend to dupe customers out of millions of pounds per month. In addition, there have been recent regulatory warnings and announcements regarding the risks associated with cryptocurrency, particularly the lack of consumer protection. As such, we have decided to take proportionate action to keep our customers safe and secure. This doesn't mean that we block cryptocurrency payments altogether, but we will restrict payments to cryptocurrency exchanges that present the high risk of financial harm. Although you may have made payments to cryptocurrency exchanges previously, we continuously monitor fraud patterns and trends, adjusting our restrictions to keep you and your money safe and secure. So there you go. Obviously, they've been seeing, just like what other banks have been seeing as well, a lot of fraud going on, a lot of money laundering going on, a lot of scams going on. I completely understand it, right? The bit that I don't really understand is the whole point of like keeping your money safe. If you know that you are moving your if they know you yourself is coming out of your bank account into an exchange, okay, and they can see that, what is the big deal? Surely they could flag up huge transactions, or something that looks a little bit out of the ordinary. They could just flag it up, warning, give us a call, is this you? Do you know what I mean? Like, that type of approach should be what I believe should be what's going on. Again, this is Binance, but and we know all the problems that Binance are facing right now. But again, it is just very frustrating because every single day it seems to be getting harder and harder to actually deposit money into exchanges for people in the UK. So it is getting very frustrating. And these two, like NatWest, Bank of Scotland, they were pro crypto, they were for it. There wasn't any issues regarding these banks at all in regards to deposits and withdrawals. But it seems like that is what is going to be happening now. So what's the next one? Why has my debit card payment been declined for a cryptocurrency purchase? We have taken steps as a bank to restrict payments to cryptocurrency exchanges to keep you and your money safe and secure. Whilst you can purchase cryptocurrency with some merchants using your debit card, we may restrict purchases to certain merchants where we have seen a high volume of scams being reported to us. This may result in your payment being declined. So again, a lot of the money laundering and scams would definitely have been done via Binance. And I can completely understand that has probably been flagged up behind the scenes so many times. Hence why a lot of the problems are with Binance. What I would really like is, a list from all of these banks of where they're actually blocking payments. I've been seeing certain banks actually stopping payments to Kraken. I've done videos on how to deposit into Binance using Kraken. But obviously to do that, you need to firstly get money onto Binance, onto Kraken, and people are now struggling to even do that. So we need like an actual list of what exchanges are being blocked, what banks are blocking them, and what we're actually able to do. Because at this point, the way it's going, unfortunately, it's looking like soon people are going to really struggle to get money onto any exchange, which is super frustrating, right? So what else are they saying? Why has my credit card payment for a cryptocurrency been declined or blocked? Since February 2018, to keep your money safe and secure and not expose you to more risky debt, we have restricted the use of our credit card charge cards to purchase cryptocurrency. Why has my payment for a cryptocurrency purchase been stopped? Oh God, they keep saying they've taken steps to make your money safe and secure. Whilst you can make payments to some cryptocurrency exchanges by faster payment, we may restrict purchases to exchanges where we have seen a high volume of scams being reported to us. If I make a lesser payment amount, will my payment be stopped? Due to the increase in risks posed by fraudsters exploiting cryptocurrencies, will continue to block any value of payment to merchants exchanges where we see a disproportionate amount of fraud being committed in order to protect you. Can I make the payment via any other channels? Debit, faster payment, branch, telephony? We would recommend not attempting to make your payment via another method as it may continue to be declined. Although also making your payment via another method does not make it any less risky. Can I transfer money to another financial institution to make payment? Whilst we would not restrict you from sending money to your other accounts, we have taken these steps to keep our customers safe. We would urge you to fully investigate the merchant involved to ensure you are comfortable it is not a scam. What? Seriously, like, we would urge you to fully investigate the merchant involved to ensure you are comfortable it is not a scam. So are they like, in other words, are they calling Binance a scam? Is that what they're doing? Because that's what we're doing. That's where our money is going. That's where we're depositing it to. And they're letting us know, make sure it's not a scam. What? I don't know. What do you guys make of that, man? Leave that in the comments below. These are interesting, but I'll leave a link to this in the description below. What is cryptocurrency and is it safe? Here we go. Cryptocurrency is a digital asset that can be traded or exchanged online to buy from people or companies who accept this form of payment. Investing in crypto assets or investing and lending linked to them generally involves taking higher risks with your money. Cryptocurrencies are not protected by the UK's Financial Services Compensation Scheme, the FSCS, and are not assets regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, the FCA. However, they're attracting more and more attention as a potentially lucrative investment option due to the fluctuations in value seen over the past few years. Are all cryptocurrency firms the same? All cryptocurrency firms are different for a range of reasons that won't go into here. And whilst we can't provide advice on any particular cryptocurrency exchange, we would encourage our customers to seek independent financial advice via a trusted advisor or firm. Is cryptocurrency regulated? It isn't protected by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, and it is not an asset that's regulated by the FCA. There are also concerns that it could be used to facilitate financial crime or fraud. The value of these currencies is unpredictable and generally involves taking high risks with your money. Is it lawful to purchase cryptocurrency? The purchase of cryptocurrency is lawful. However, as a bank, we want to do all we can to protect our customers. Is it just my personal bank account that's affected? To continue to keep our customers safe, restrictions will be implemented for personal, business, and commercial customers. Can the bank provide advice on cryptocurrency? As cryptocurrencies are unregulated assets, we are unable to provide customers with advice. If you still wish to purchase cryptocurrency, we suggest that you seek independent financial advice. Wow, man. I already have money invested in cryptocurrency. What should I do? Our decisions do not currently impact the ability for you to withdraw money from your cryptocurrency wallet into your bank account. Our decisions do not currently. Okay, so they could still, it seems like they could still withdraw at the moment. But obviously on Binance, we can't even withdraw. So, what we're going to do, I've made the video on using Kraken to withdraw. If you want to send money there, I'll leave that in the link in the description below as well. Here we go. I'd like to make a complaint. If you are unhappy that your payment to a cryptocurrency merchant has been declined and wish to make a complaint, details of how to do this are available on our complaints page. Sorry, guys, chatting a lot here. However, it is important to note that this will not change the outcome of the declined payment, as this has been done in accordance with bank policy. How do I know if I'm being scammed into investing into cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency scams can be sophisticated and difficult to uncover, but we encourage you to use the resources provided by the FCA, which can be found on the FCA's Scam Smart page. Take time to thoroughly read and understand the information provided, and do not be rushed to into making an investment. What should I do if I think I've been scammed? If you think you've fallen victim to a cryptocurrency scam, you should report this to us immediately by calling the number on the back of your debit or credit card. Where can I find more information about cryptocurrency? You can find it on our investment scams guide. So there you have it. Look, it's cool that they've obviously, wrote all of that down, given their customers a lot of information. But on the other hand, again, I don't think it's cool that they've stopped, some exchanges. They're not allowed to deposit into some exchanges, which I just don't get, man. I just don't get, because there are ways of us keeping it safe. There are ways of them doing this another way, flagging up weird transactions, flagging up things that are just out of the ordinary, like big withdrawals, big deposits. A simple call just to make sure it's your customer should be fine, right? It's their money at the end of the day. Look, I'm all for regulation, because like I said, I think it'll be great for the future. It needs to be done. If it's regulated, we can move on. But I feel like this is just being, pushed out in the wrong way. And it's becoming very difficult for people, especially in the UK, to actually deposit. But look, I'll leave all the relevant links in the description below. I'll leave a link to this. I'll leave a link on how to actually deposit money into Binance using Kraken, and how to withdraw out of Binance, back into your bank account using Kraken. So I'll do all of that for you guys if you ever do need to get your money out of there. I've also done a tutorial on using your Trust wallet to keep your crypto safe. Make sure you guys are definitely doing that. Link will be there as well for you guys. So, going to be smashing out the links. Everything will be in the description below if you are worried or scared about anything, or if you are just worried about not being able to get your money in or out of Binance, right? So that's going to cover it for this video. Hope you guys have enjoyed. Please let me know by leaving a comment down below, and like the video if you did enjoy the video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and ensure your bell icon is turned on to keep up to date with these videos. And I will see you guys very, very soon. Take it easy.